days. Ito lang yung the only one I wear during this trip. Lumalaban pa rin kahit ganyan na siya kadungis. Kaya sabi niyo kumain dito sa ano.
Ayaw, di ba?
Nagaya lang siya. Here, this is our last full day. Still early. Mamaya ikot-ikot pa tayo. Mamaya bibila ako ng milk tea. Hanap muna tayo ng luggage. Kasi sayang ang 20 kilos. Kung walang i-check-in. Tag-20 kami. Sayang. Ay! Yung second street. Mamaya pupunta ako doon. Ayaw niya pumunta. Ako na lang. Let's go inside. There's a luggage. Hanap tayo ng luggage. Inside the donkey. Baka maiba tayo ng labas. Donkey. Donkey. Hahanap tayo ng luggage. Oo, ito yung Don Quixote. Ito yung marami merch or items. Ito, first floor is foodies. Dapat pala nag-elevator tayo. Siguro or more on. Hanap muna tayo ng luggage. Later na dyan. Yeah. Let's cross the street. Check 527. Look at the sky. Still madilim. And the people around here. Dami na rin. We're waiting to cross the green signal. Let's wait. Okay. And go. Ang aking shoes or aking crocs. Ilang days. Ito lang yung the only one I wear during this trip. Lumalaban pa rin kahit ganyan na siya kadungis. Let's go. May nakapag tayong oras. At sana maabutan at sana I can make it. I only have 30 minutes. Kasi ngayon ko lang nakita. Ngayon ko lang nakita yun. Sana I could make it. At tao pa naman sa struggle, walking. Let's go. Open pa siya. I think open pa. Abo tayo. Come on guys. Still open. Still open.
$8.
The hours there. Mamaya na magpipicture-picture. Kailangan ko na magpastamp. Oh my gosh. Can I have this stamp here? Look at this.
Together? Yeah. But you should start with one lah.
Hmm?
I will try another one. Yes.
Like
Oh,
that.
you can see you stand
Ah.
at the same spot.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
But first,
First one. First one is
This one.
is this one.
like
Yeah,
this.
you got it. You got it. Wait a minute. Whoa. Let me try. On this one, and okay. You can put on.
We must do with the number one first or it's okay.
Yeah. And the two.
Ah.
Yes. And
Yeah.
Maybe the book is
Yeah.
too small
Here,
for
yes,
this
yes.
one.
Too small.
I'm not
Okay.
sure.
Only one frame?
yeah.
Ito. Parang I want to collect the stamps. Try ko mag-iikot sa metro, different stations. Try ko lang. Mga 1 hour lang siguro. Then, I'll come back here. Let's see kung hanggang ilan na makuha ko. Okay? Bye. Dinay, dito mag-start. And they have this. Look at that. Chicken. Okay. I'll fill it up. Okay. Tapos balik ako. Balik ako dito. There's one. There's one station. There's a stop. Ay, wala. Wala. The stamp is there. So I'll just go. We have stamp here. Okay. Wow, it's a camera.
也会离开，然后
Yeah, good
或者是你知道太原。
Baliktad. Saan siya? Look at that. You have the stamp
Outside this way.
outside? Where? Ah,
Continue your trip or what you want.
no, I need the stamp only.
Push this door just outside.
I need to exit.
Push this door.
Yes. Okay, let's go. Ang tao, ang bibili sila oh. Oh. Grabe oh. Oh. Why they're all rushing? Grabe, parang mga langgam. Sobra. Ayoko na makapag-unahan. Nagkatakot ako. Madapa. Just wait for the next train. I'm here. Lumagpas na ako sa destination ko. Tapos start. This. That's it. Let's go. Stamp? Outside? What? Okay, it's outside. We need to go out. There. Uy, dalawa. Dalawa. There are two. Another stamp. I bought 3 and I had 1. I got 3, 1. Ba't ganun? Kahapon wala. Anyway, I'm just happy. I get a 3. Sa pero,
Parang fishball.
yeah, balls. Really, I think gagawin hot pot na, no? They're inside net. Here, Shimandi. Let's go. How much this? Punta kami ng Pilipinas. Looking for a resto or some kind of small, resto lang. To eat. I'm gonna miss this place. Yun na very short. Sobrang ganda ng vibes. I love it here. Ganun. Siyempre, depende sa taste niya. Pero parang iba naman tinitignan niya. Parang shoes lang. Shoes pa rin. Sabi niya, gutom siya. Oh, I still want to buy that milk tea. I'm gonna buy milk tea. Kasi nga pa malayo. May tinaturo siya. Ay, Joey, ano yan? Noodles.
May lang tayo isa.
Sige. Yan na yun. Busog ka na. Oh, laki. No.
Sarap.
Sabi parang mas wala na. Mas masarap pa sa luto mo. Tura ko naman. Grabe. Hindi ka nakakain ito.
Ay, ito ako. Tara, tayo.
Ang dami. Diyan.
Ano dito sa taas?
Ubusin mo muna ito.
Hindi ba dyan ako kainin niya doon?
Tama-tama to sa sinisigmura. Try it. You think this is Japanese? I am stir-fried. So much. Grilled fish, prawn salad. Excuse me. We have tanghulo. Mas mura. Buti na lang. Dito ko bumili. Alam mo ba? Yung sa ay! Yan! Diyan tayo kakain!
Modern toilet.
Kaya sabi niya kumain dito sa ano. Modern toilet. Lagayan lang siya. Ayaw niyang kumain sa modern toilet restaurant. Hindi kaya na sigmura niya. O yun, kami, separate ways. Magmamakdo daw siya. So, I'll go here. Try lang natin what to eat. Let's see. Ang KJ, this is one of my bucket lists. I think. You're still open? What? For me, one. Okay. I think I want. I just want to try. I don't like fried chicken. I don't like fried chicken. Moderate curry. Stir fried pork. What I'm gonna choose? Vegetarian stir fried. Haven't you stopped? I don't know what to order. Maybe I'll just latte or peace Americano. Got my order. This is so big. Grabe, oh. Sobra. Which wish? Oh, that's a chair. Oh, I see. This is so sweet. Shape ice.
Grabe. Kailan kaya ako matatapos dito? Yun ba yung ice niya? Shave ice.